Kalimera, and welcome to another lesson of modern Greek. Today, we will learn Greek numbers, or modern Greek numbers, because as you know, there is a difference. So today, we will learn numbers from 1 to 10 as a good start and a good base for what's coming next. Let's not waste too much time. Let's go. Πάμε. Greek numbers. Number 1, ένα. Ένα. Be careful, this is not a V. As you know, it's ni. Ένα. There are other forms of a number 1 in modern Greek. If it stands with a feminine noun, it will be μία. If it stands with a masculine noun, it would be ένας. But ένα is a standard way of saying number 1. Ένα. 2. Δύο. Δύο with ypsilon. Remember ypsilon? If you forgot, check out our alphabet lesson. Ypsilon. Δύο. Number 3. Τρία. Τρία. I'm sure all these numbers are very familiar to you. Ένα, δύο, τρία. Right? You know them from many other words or languages. Number 4. Τέσσερα. Τέσσερα. Double S. You may feel like this number is not very familiar to you, but it is, trust me. In ancient Greek, in Athens, double S was actually double T. So it was tetera. Oh, now I know, tetra, right? Tetragon or other words with the word tetra in form. Number 5, oh, that will be familiar. Pende. Pende. With ni, taf, nt, pronounced as nd. Pende. Pende. You know, pentagram, pentagon, and so on. Pende. So now we have ένα, δύο, τρία, τέσσερα, πέντε. Okay? Let's keep going. Number 6 in Greek. Έξι. Έξι. Number 7. Εφτά or επτά. You can choose which one you like. Εφτά or επτά. No difference whatsoever. Number 8. Οχτώ or οκτώ. It could be he or kappa. Οχτώ or οκτώ. I know where you know this number from. Octopus, right? How many legs does octopus have? 8. Οχτώ, 8. Number 9. Εννέα or εννιά. Εννέα, εννιά. Be careful with the writing. Εννέα, εννιά. And the king of numbers, 10. 10. Okay? Decaclone or decade. Be careful. It's not deca. Deca. Remember pronunciation of delta. The. Tongue out, the. Delta. Not too bad, huh? Let's say them one more time. Ένα. Δύο. Τρία. Τέσσερα. Πέντε. Έξι. Εφτά. Επτά. Οχτώ. Οκτώ. Εννέα. Or εννιά. Δέκα. Δέκα. My biggest advice for remembering these numbers would be practice, 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 speak, speak, speak until your brain recognizes the words coming from your mouth. Okay, so just say them many, many, many times and say them correctly. If it's very slow, we don't care. Ένα, δύο, τρία, τέσσερα, πέντε, έξι, εφτά, οχτώ, εννέα, δέκα. Ένα, δύο, τρία. A, O, A. And some students say eno, dio, trie. You know, so the last vowel is the problem, but you can remember 3 vowels, right? So remember, ένα, δύο, τρία. A, O, A. Just find a method and remember it. Let's say them one more time. Ένα. Δύο. Τρία. Τέσσερα. Πέντε. Έξι. Εφτά. Επτά. Οχτώ. Οκτώ. Εννέα. Εννιά. Δέκα. Δέκα. If you said δέκα, not good. Δέκα. Just like δύο. Δύο. Δέκα. That's it. How easy was that? Let me know in the comments if you remembered all the numbers. I don't think it's difficult. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other things you'd like me to cover in the next lesson. And please subscribe to our channel. Let us know if you want classes, group classes, individual classes, or any help learning Greek. We are here for you. Please subscribe, like, or even share with your friends. We'll be here for you, and see you next time. Yasas!